Welcome back to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm not cooking anything, but today I'm so excited to announce about my first ever cookbook that a lot of you have been waiting for, and it is now available on Kindle, Cooking Smart with Bhavna, Vegan Vegetarian Electric Pressure Cooker Recipe. Yes, this book is dedicated to electric pressure cooker recipes, but you can always adopt many of my recipes to cook in your regular pot or on your stovetop pressure cooker. So the recipes can be customized to your liking. This book is all about cooking multiple recipes at once. That's the main thing I wanted to cover, that how you can save a lot of time in your kitchen by cooking multiple recipes at once. So you can use pot in pot technique. Even my Indian cooking meal these days, I prepare rice, dals, sabji all together in just one single shot, and you can cook multiple grains at once that cooks at the same time. So there are a lot of things to learn from this book, and I'm sure you will love this book to read again and again and follow the recipes again and again. And this book actually features a lot of techniques and tips that you can use in your kitchen to save a lot of time and cook efficiently. In this book, I have put my heart and soul, and after a lot of hard work and restless days, and trust me, it was like it actually drained a lot of my energy, but finally it's worth putting all the hard work in this book. And I really hope that this book will help you cook healthy, hearty food for your loved ones. And you can download the book on your Kindle device, or you can also download Kindle app on your phone. Kindle app is widely available on most phones, so you can download Kindle app and then you can get the books Cooking Smart with Bhavna and many other books. I simply love to get all the resources at just fingertip. I can read a lot of books, and actually Kindle has a lot of other features for your family. Actually, if you have some kids or teenagers or even big kids, you can download Kindle for Audible, which is one of the best features they have. When you are not in a mood of reading, you can at least listen to some of the books. So there are several options, and I really love Kindle app. And now I'm waiting for the paperback copy, and that will be available soon as well. I know a lot of people don't like to read on devices like Kindle or any electric media, so the paperback copy will be available soon as well, to hold it in your hand and read whenever you want. So hope you enjoyed this book, and I would really love to hear your honest feedback so that I can work better on my future projects. I'm going to attach the link under this video description so you can easily get to the book. And just to show you a few features in this book that probably you cannot get from other books, is that I have shared many unique techniques that I have learned over the years from my mom. And as you browse through, you can start actually from the basic, like what you can stock in your pantry, and then what kind of techniques you can use to save your time in the kitchen. And the best thing I like about electric pressure cooker is that unattended cooking, like you just set up and then you can finish rest of your chores and let the electric pressure cooker do its own job. I can say a lot to learn from this book, and this book is perfect to give as a gift to your daughter or your loved ones, and they will really appreciate looking at this book learning all the techniques and cooking efficiently in their kitchen and for their loved one. So I highly recommend to invest in this book, and if not for yourself, just pass on to those who are using an electric pressure cooker, and I'm sure they'll be very thankful to you for sharing this book with them. So again, it is Cooking Smart with Bhavna. Please do check out, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. And you can also download Bhavna's Kitchen app. Thanks for watching and see you soon.